Hi, I'm Kebron, and we're back with a new video on artificial intelligence. If you've seen hyper-realistic videos on social media made with AI, product photos that basically look like they're from a professional studio, or cloned voices that sound perfect, there's a good chance that behind them is a platform like this, Segmind. I'm going to explain what it is, how it works on the inside, and importantly, I'm going to be honest with you. It's not free, so I'll also tell you exactly how much it costs and what you can learn just by looking at the site without spending a single euro. So if that sounds good to you, let's get right into it. Absolutely. Segmind is basically a supermarket for generative artificial intelligence models. It doesn't create its own models from scratch. What it does is bring together in one place dozens of models from the top companies in the sector. Google, OpenAI, ByteDance, Alibaba, 11 Labs, Black Forest Labs, and more, okay? And it lets you use them all through a single account and a single API. There it is. That's the way it works. Think of it like Netflix, okay? But instead of series, what it aggregates are AI models to generate images, videos, voices, and edit all of that on a single platform. This is designed mainly for developers, people who want to put these AI features into their own app or their own business without having to negotiate separately with OpenAI, with Google, with ByteDance, or any other. Okay, let's get practical. This is the actual workflow of using Segmind. You sign up, okay? You sign up. I'm already signed up, but you sign up basically, and they create an account for you with a panel, with a dashboard. You top up your balance if you want, okay? I mean, here are the prices that there are. And basically, once you top up your balance or choose the plan, okay? You can do it however you want, okay? If you get it annually, they give you 2 months free. That should be mentioned too. That's the free part, so to speak. It's key, okay? And I'll explain in the next blog, basically, the money stuff and all that, okay? You choose a model, for example, an image generator, okay? You can choose a model. You have different models. Image generator, video, audio, whatever you want, okay? You keep selecting. And for example, like I said, in this image generator, you test it directly from the web, okay? Right from the website itself, you can test it out by writing a prompt just like you would with any other AI, okay? You just write a prompt and boom, there it is, okay? If you want to integrate it into your own app, you just use the API key and a few lines of code they provide, usually in Python, okay? Or in JavaScript. And then you can call that model directly from your own project. Every time you call a model, it deducts credits from your balance based on the model you're using and its complexity. Basically, there are so many, like I said, you should think of it, you have to look at it like the Netflix of artificial intelligence, okay? I think that's the best way to look at it, okay? Here you have all the models, image editing, videos, editing, audio models as well. You've got Nano Banana, which we all use. Different ways to work with it, okay? So basically, I'm going to give you a quick summary, okay? It's an intermediate layer between you or your app and the most powerful AI models on the market, so you don't have to create accounts and pay each provider separately, okay? You just top up here, and it takes care of everything, managing it all for you, basically. Like I said, I want to be very clear about this. A lot of people search for Segmind for free, and they're in for a surprise. Segmind doesn't actually have a free plan, seriously. What it does have are the different options I'm about to mention that we saw earlier. It has the flexible plan, okay? You basically pay as you go. There it is. But to get started, they require a minimum top-up of $10. And that way you can test it out and everything. There's no permanent free tier, okay? You have the Pro plan, which they say is the most popular, for $39 a month, and that includes $50 in monthly credits. The business plan, which is $99 a month, okay, basically. And the scale plan, which is almost $599 a month for large companies. And then there's the price per model, okay? The price per model varies. Every image or video generation has its own cost depending on the model you choose. So if a video tells you this is free, it probably means you can explore the site and see examples, okay, of how it works without paying anything. But the moment you want to generate something yourself, you're going to need to put in a credit card. So now you know. It's very useful, but it costs money. This one isn't free at all. That said, compared to subscribing to each AI separately, it's still cheaper if you're going to use several different models. If this explanation helped you, give it a like, okay? In the comments, tell me what type of artificial intelligence interests you most, image, video, or voice, so that the next video is about that, basically. See you in the next one, Kebron. See you in the next video. As you know, I'm Kebron, and I'm at your service.